If your microphone is not working on your Dell laptop, follow these steps and it should be fixed in a few minutes. First, open Settings. From the left sidebar, click System, then click Sound. Now scroll down to the Input section. Here, make sure the correct microphone is selected from the Input Device dropdown. If you don't see your microphone in the list, make sure the input volume is turned up. Next, scroll a little further down and click Troubleshoot for input devices. Your laptop will run a quick check and try to automatically detect and fix the microphone issue. After that, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. A new window will open. At the top, click the Recording tab. You should see your microphone listed here. Sometimes the mic is disabled, so right-click your microphone and click Enable. Then, right-click it again and select Properties. Make sure the device is enabled and go to the Levels tab to confirm the microphone volume isn't too low or muted. If the mic still doesn't work, try changing the cable if possible and plug the mic into another port again. And that's it. These steps fix the microphone problem on most Dell laptops. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.